chip on the left hand side. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side.
Yo, it's your boy Young Dizza. The stick where I'm at, man. Come on, you already know though. Listen, got a question for you little animals, man. Diz, man. What kind of brand steroids you got, man? What kind of them, man? I'm trying to get that, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get fit. You know what I mean? A lot of little duck pussies out there, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to look good, man. Holla at me with them digits, man. Yo, Dirtbag Dan. Let me ask you something, man. Who is the best fat rapper? You know what I mean? Out of all them fat fucks, who is the best fat rapper? You know what I mean? I'll give you time, you know what I'm saying? You got Marv 1, you know what I mean? You got Madness. Think about it. Oh, yeah, anyway. And Costa, you can fucking get it at Smash Brothers, man. Alright, holla at your boy, man. Young Dizzy the Thick. It's thick where I'm at, man. Boom in the face.